It's still going. It is still going. Oh no. Hey, what's cracking? Alright, so in this video, we're going to test the range, the distance that my UK drone can do. Now, a lot of people out there are saying that the US drones go a lot further, and apparently the European ones are quite limited in their distance. I think it's something to do with the bandwidth or something to do with that. I'm not too sure, but yeah, it makes me think, well, what is the range that my actual drone can do? Now, I don't know if you guys can see that tower way back in the distance there, but I'm going to try my hardest to get as close as I can to that and just see what happens. I think it might run out of range, but that seems about 2 miles away from where I am. It could be less, but about 2 miles seems about right for that. So let's see if we can fly all the way today. I mean, if I can get there, that's perfectly fine, but if I can't, I can't. I suppose that's the limitation of the UK version. Now, around here there is quite a bit. I know it's nice landscape and everything, but because of that tower there is quite a lot of interference, so I think that will also impact on the distance that we can do as well. All right, so sorry, I'm mumbling my words because I'm so cold right now. We're in the midst of a storm here in the UK. We've had crazy ass winds. You probably heard that in the other video I was talking about, but today it's been quite calm, even though I got 20 miles per hour winds at the moment apparently. So let's get this up in the air and just see how far we can go, man. All right. Seems to be struggling with the wind a little bit today, so yeah, let's get flying as quick as we can and see how far we can go. Really fighting that wind. Let's go a bit further forward for you guys. You should be able to see what's on the screen here for me. If I stand back a bit further here just in case. But we're just going to keep heading towards that tower. I'll do a slight turn here. Go up. Now it seems like the drone is fighting against the wind because this battery's already gone down to 78%. I think we started about 82 or something, so it is fighting out there. We've got no warnings for high winds yet. I might take it just a little bit higher. So showing our distance so far is 500 feet, 600 feet. Got some birds below us. I'm just hoping that I don't hit any bird or anything like that. It is quite open out here. Yeah, man. This could be a very long video the way it's going. Seems pretty fine. We're just coming up to 800 feet, well, 850 feet there in distance. 80 feet in height, so we shouldn't really hit anything around this height. Keep heading towards that tower there in the distance and see how we get on. 75% battery now. Let's just keep going. We're over 1,000 feet away, doing about 9 miles an hour. We're in the cinema mode, so it's a bit slower than normal. Signal still super strong. I mean, we're far out now. There's no chance. I can't see the drone at all, so I shouldn't really be flying like this. We're losing a bit of height suddenly, so I'm guessing there might be some winds out there. But yeah, let's switch to a different mode here. Let's go to P mode so we can move a little faster. Yeah, we're getting up there now. 15 miles an hour, 16 miles an hour. Okay. That was my first judder, so we're getting a bit of judder in the signal right now. I'm just going to increase my height so we can get over these trees. 2,000 feet away from me right now. Seems like there might be quite a bit of wind because I seem to be drifting a bit. Getting a bit more stutter going on. Just line up that. Okay, got aircraft signal right now. So we're about 2,500 feet away and the aircraft signal logo is starting to come on there. I mean, it's quite windy right now. Let's see if we can go a little bit further. But we're not far away from that tower right now. We're pretty close, man. It's still going. It is still going. Let's hit record. I don't know why I haven't been recording on the screen yet. Alright, we're getting some weak signal now. And we're about 3,000 feet away. And I think there it's gonna be juddery now. Okay, I've lost signal. Okay, so let's see if we can start to return home. Okay, it's saying aircraft not connected. Jeez, what do we do now then? Oh Lord, are we in trouble? I think I might have just, oh, okay, it's returning home. Jesus. Oh man, I'm not gonna lie, my heart went a little bit then, because that's the first time I've ever actually taken a drone further away, you know, to its limit basically. My goodness. All right, so we got about 3,000 feet and then it stopped, right? So I'm not sure what that is for you guys in your countries, but I hope that helps you guys out. And if you're planning to buy this UK version, just know that you've got 3,000 feet in a straight line before the signal starts to go a bit haywire. We're heading home back now. I just noticed all this time I have my EV setting a bit too low, but that's fine. It's coming down to land now. All right then, so that's the test for today. I'm about to get licked in the head by a little drone. 3,000 feet away in distance is your limit. Hope you enjoyed it. Let's try and catch this thing. I'm always stepping dog poo.